Midjourney gave us a picture of the Pope in a puffer jacket in 2023. But now they want to make their mark as a more serious frontier AI model. And they are planning to do that with a machine that creates a full-body ultrasound in 60 seconds. Launched as a new division within the company, Midjourney Medical will focus on radical new vision for healthcare. They are introducing the ultrasonic CT, or the full-body ultrasound, which is a new form of medical imaging that the engineers claim to be better than even MRI machines. And they plan to achieve this without radiation or magnetic fields for that matter. Using only sound and water, the machine will create a full-body image in 60 seconds. The ultrasound tech was built in partnership with the Butterfly Network, which said that they use 40 Butterfly ultrasound on-chip imaging modules per system. Users step onto a platform that is then lowered into the water as thousands of transducers, a device that converts one form of energy into another, creates the ultrasonic waves. The ripples made by the waves passing through the body are then recorded and analyzed via artificial intelligence, creating detailed 3D images. Now, according to CEO David Holtz, about 15 have already been scanned so far. The images, as you can see, look incredibly interesting. Now, Midjourney will open the Midjourney Spa in San Francisco, which will be equipped with hot tubs, saunas, cold plunges, and 10 scanners to make the full body images. Now, they plan to bring it to fruition by the end of 2027. Now, this is a seismic shift for Midjourney viewers. They have been a company that has made headlines for either creating viral images or being summoned to the courts for copyright infringement. Now, this is a hard pivot. According to a statement made by the company, this development is Midjourney asking itself questions about what it wants to become and how can it be different. Bringing 50,000 scanners to the world over 6 years is their next big goal, 1 billion scans a month. Now, the bet is huge because Midjourney is only selling a vision of the future with some details like scans that it has already made and composites for what their spa will look like. Now, here's the front page take on that, viewers. Midjourney's biggest challenge may not be building the technology. Its next biggest hurdle is regulation. Midjourney Medical will need approval from the US Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, to use this machine for diagnostic imaging. Now, this raises many questions about data privacy while making things incredibly interesting for the next phase in cutting-edge medical technology. And as a community-backed research lab, Midjourney is involving everyone in it, asking them for feedback, their time, and even their participation in new research trials. The excitement is real, but only as Midjourney spends the next 12 months working and reworking the hardware and algorithm will we know how much of this excitement will materialize. What do you think the future of diagnostic body imaging will look like? Let us know in the comment section below. This is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.